Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After closing all my positions, I had an eagle eye on the chart, just waiting. I didn't want to catch a falling knife again. I wanted a clean, long setup on a higher time frame. And finally, my long wave strategy flashed a fresh entry. It happened at the 45-minute chart, right at 109.3K. That's the yellow horizontal, the former all-time high from February. I scaled into the trade, and the next candle, it went straight into profit, peaking at 109.9K. As I kept scaling, my average entry moved to 109.5K. This time, I didn't set my stop loss at break-even. After getting whipped out too often in the high-top zones, I decided to let it breathe. I am done playing it too safe and get left behind. But then came a drop. It was sharp. I knew it was still a beginner-sized position, but a meaningful one. I was waiting to go bigger if we cleared the liquidity trap, sitting at 105K. That level has been on the 3-day heat map for a while now, since the move from 109.8K down to 106K and back up again. When price touched 106.6K again, I admit, that took me by surprise. But then again, I checked the liquidation heat map, and there it was. A clear, long liquidation cluster between 107.2 and 106.3K. In the last 24 hours alone, a total of $635.39 million in liquidations took place. Out of that, 546.71 million were longs. Shorts? Just 88.68 million. So, was this enough? Or will we still nuke to clean out the 105.8K zone? Maybe even down to 104.6K? Here's what makes this more interesting. There's a whale on hyperliquid, 40x long leverage, 30 million margin, that's a $1.2 billion long position, entry 109.1K, liquidation 104.8K. His unrealized P&L right now is negative $10.4 million. Funding fee? Already minus $4.5 million. Why is he so relaxed? That is insane risk. With 30 million on the line, he must know something we don't. Is he getting backup? Is there another bull whale, or maybe even a group, quietly defending this level? So far, I opened a second long on my sub-account. It was triggered on the 1-hour long wave signal. Both entries are holding well for now. If you want another confirmation signal, watch the 15-minute chart. The 21 EMA is light blue. The 50 EMA is magenta. The last cross to the downside happened at 110.9K. And yes, that was a warning. I shared that exact chart live in the Discord. Link is in the description. Also, I'm seeing some double top fear on social media. People comparing this price action to 2021. That's complete fear, uncertainty, and doubt. The only reason we had that double bubble was because of illegal Bitcoin selling by FTX and Alameda. That's not possible anymore. We now have stricter rules. Exchanges are running proof of reserve Merkle trees, and regulators are watching. Now quickly, let's look at ETF flows. On May 22, 2025, we saw a total net inflow of $934.8 million. BlackRock alone, $877.2 million. What a sight! Institutions are stacking during this breakout. Let's see how this unfolds. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.